What's cooking, foodies? So today we are making one of the best comfort food, shepherd's pie. Fun fact, if you're making it with beef, it's technically called cottage pie, but if you are making it with lamb like we're doing today, it is called shepherd's pie. So we got this recipe from Natasha's kitchen and we love it, so let's get started. For your filling, you will need 1 pound of either ground beef, turkey, or lamb. They all taste delicious in this recipe, so you do you. 1 yellow onion, 2 garlic cloves minced, 1 cup unsalted beef broth. I like to use unsalted broth as I like to control the salt in my dishes. 2 tablespoons all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon tomato paste, 1 tablespoon Worcestershire sauce, 1.5 cups mixed frozen peas and carrots, 1 tablespoon olive oil, salt and pepper to taste. For the topping, you will need 2 pounds russet potatoes, 3/4 cup heavy whipping cream, 2 tablespoons butter, 1/4 cup Parmesan cheese, 1 egg, parsley to garnish, and 1/2 teaspoon salt and pepper. Go ahead now and preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Peel and chop your potatoes. Boil until fork tender, about 12 to 15 minutes. Drain potatoes and add 3/4 cup warm heavy whipping cream and mix that together. Add your salt and pepper to taste. Add your 1/4 cup Parmesan cheese, 1 whisked egg. You're going to go ahead and mix that together, cover and set aside to keep warm. To a large skillet on medium heat, add 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 diced yellow onion, saute till softened. Cook ground beef, lamb, or turkey for about 5 minutes. Add a pinch of salt and a pinch of pepper. Add your 2 cloves of minced garlic. Add 2 tablespoons flour. Mix in for about a minute. You will see a film start to form on the bottom of the pan. Deglaze the pan with 1 cup of beef broth, scraping the flour film off the bottom of the pan. Add 1 tablespoon Worcestershire sauce, 1 tablespoon tomato paste, 1.5 cups frozen mixed peas and carrots. Mix and remove from heat. Add filling to an 11x7 or 2-quart circular casserole dish. Using an ice cream scoop, place mashed potatoes on top of filling. Then using a spatula, go ahead and smooth out the potatoes. Make sure to seal the sides of the casserole dish with the potatoes so the filling does not bubble out. Pour 2 tablespoons melted butter over the top of the mashed potatoes and cover. Go ahead and place your shepherd's pie in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 to 30 minutes. Then cool for 15 minutes before serving. Alrighty, so we're ready for the taste test here. The shepherd's pie. So good. I could easily eat this probably about once a week and never get bored of it. It's truly my comfort food. So good. And like I said, you can, I have lamb in this. You can use it with hamburger, a ground turkey meat. I've made it all those 3 ways and they're all equally yummy to me. So pick whichever meat that you prefer best. So, all right, well, I hope you liked this episode and I will see you in the next one.